Oh shit, I'm about to get run over, I'm sorry. That was stupid. That guy'd be pissed. I'd be pissed if I was that guy. Sorry, dude. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z, my man, how are you today, sir? Z, today's another Z destination. We're going to Newport Beach. You suggested a place called Seaside Donuts?
They got something that's not a donut. It's very popular. It's a ham or turkey and cheese croissant. Oh, and what's cool about these, the ham or turkey and the cheese is actually baked inside the croissant.
It's infused?
Infused.
I did do a little research on this spot. I think it might be a winner, Z. I'm looking forward to it. I'll tell everybody about it as we get going, but I'm excited for this one. Don't fail me, Z.
It's a good one.
And Z, we trust.
And Z, we trust.
All right, man. Yeah, donuts. Just kidding, I don't really like donuts, but I do like croissant sandwiches. It's gonna be a good day. And the best part, we're eating these on the beach. That was a ticketable offense. Let me tell you a little bit of a place that we're going to today. Seaside Donuts and Bakery. Now this place was founded in 1985, Newport Beach, California. Right across the street from the water. You can see it. I mean, literally, this place is right on the water. I mean, you could walk right out of the ocean and you'd still be dripping wet by the time you ordered your first jelly donut. This place is open 24 hours a day. It never closes. This place is wildly popular for their croissant sandwiches. They're also known for something called a cronut, which is probably a croissant better than donut stuff, right? Like glazed croissant, maybe. Doing all the research on this place, I found that there's a dude that works there. His name's Peter. Apparently he's pretty cool, man, and plays guitar for the customers. Hey, that's what I got today. Oh, dude, I gotta pull over, man. I got something important to do to this bike. I got a new mod, a new upgrade. You're not gonna wanna miss this. I have to do it right now. Yes, I can do it on the side of the road. Authorized vehicles only? Ouch. Not welcome. It's all right. I don't need to go any further. I have something very important to do. I gotta upgrade the bike.
Are you gonna pee on it?
I'm not gonna pee on the bike. No, man. The old shitbox is getting glorified today. Woo-hoo. Seal of approval. Look at this. The shitbox edition GSXR 750.
Woo!
Badge of honor. Let's get her done.
We're gonna do it. It'll fit.
We're gonna make it fit, Z. Get on there.
Nothing malleable. You couldn't find a flatter spot?
Yeah, like maybe just like a half an inch lower. It would have worked a little bit better.
Oh my, dude.
You know who gave that to me?
Who?
RB5K.
The bear.
The bear. Dude, he's always looking out for your old delinquent. It's a good dude right there. All right, you know how to get to this place? Yeah. I just assume it's all the way at the end of the 55 and to the right. Run into the ocean, hang a right.
Yep.
What do you guys think of my upgrade? Haha. Love it. What do you think these dudes are doing? Side road, having a beer? Why not? Alright, I got an important question for you guys. You guys watching this video, subscribe to this channel. Do you guys watch this channel for the food? Or do you watch it for the motorcycles? Let me know, man. I'm kind of curious. I'm not kind of curious, I'm really curious. Oh, you want to race? Oh, he cheated. I'll still beat him. I'll still beat him. I won. Oh. Whoops. I didn't even hear that dude. Oh, got a bug. See him? Hello, cop. Ah, my mirror's broke. It won't fold in. Alright, Newport Beach. I think this is Balboa Island. We were just here the other day. I don't know if you guys remember. Right there at Sessions. Yeah, this place is pretty good. One of the better meatball sandwiches I've ever had in my existence. Oh shit, I'm about to get run over. I'm sorry. That was stupid. That guy'd be pissed. I'd be pissed if I was that guy. Sorry, dude. This place is packed, man. Police vehicles only. I need to find some shitbox parking. There it is, Seaside Donuts. We gotta park. Oh, hell yeah.
Designated motorcycle parking.
Oh, I'm with him.
Yeah, can we get a turkey and cheese? And a ham and cheese, and then do you have the ham and cheese with jalapeno? Yeah. Yeah, we'll get one of those too. Want something to drink?
Of course. I think that dude's name is Peter. Peter plays guitar. Are you Peter? I think that's us. That's us too. Thanks, sir. All right, thanks. All right. Ticketable offense. Oh, this is kind of a great spot, Z.
Cool, huh?
All right, Z. Seaside Donuts.
Seaside Donuts.
When's the last time you were here?
Oh my goodness, it was probably 4 or 5 years ago.
Has it changed?
In general, still tastes as good as I remember.
Right on, man. So we got 3. We got the jalapeno ham and cheese, turkey and cheese, and just the regular ham and cheese. Yep. We got them all. Out of the 3, which one did you like the best?
The turkey and cheese. Their turkey was pretty good.
I didn't feel like it had that much flavor, but you disagree.
I disagree.
I'm gonna have to go with the ham and cheese.
I like the ham and cheese this time because it had a lot more cheese. I love cheese. Anything with cheese, please.
We got 2 drinks and the 3 croissants came out to about $16. That's a nice change of pace, man.
Yep.
We've been spending like 50 bucks on 2 sandwiches lately. All right, well, I don't regret this, man, but I don't think that I'd make the trip all the way back for just this specifically. There's a lot of other stuff in this neighborhood that I didn't know about. So we'll have to come back, check out some of this other stuff. I think we went by a place called Charlie's Chili.
You gotta check it out.
Chili by the beach. All right, fun day as usual. Nice day, beautiful day. Appreciate all you guys that stuck with me for the duration of this video. It means a lot. If you like this one, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Let's grow this channel, man. Let's grow it. Much love to all the patrons of the channel. Thank you. Continued support. Now they're the best. Visit my website at suburbandelinquent.com. T-shirts, hats, stickers, that kind of thing. And please support the channel partners. In the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. I really appreciate it. They would too. Until next time, guys. Later.